that is discussing about short hair. Is it necessary to have a short hair in school? My name is Wahril Ibrahim Susanto, number absent 12.
My name is Farah Ananda Putri, absent number 13.
My name is Radha Karnika Bernensi Ramadhani, number absent 26.
My name is Safira Nabilara, number absent 29.
Okay, so we're gonna talk topics. Is it necessary to have a short hair for students?
There are pros and cons, and pros will explain by me. The first is to make everyone feel equal. It makes students obedient, and then to increase focusness, and it makes students disciplined and look tidy. And the last is to show that they obey school's rules.
The cons is not allowing diversity, limiting students' self-expression, has no effect on academic, and some people are insecure with having short hair.
The conclusion is regulation rule about short hair may limit students from expressing themselves and has no effect on their academic, but it makes students more disciplined and make them obey school. Even if you are very smart, people will judge you by appearance.
The text is illustrated by me. Is it necessary to have a short hair for students? School is a place where students study various things for their future. School have various rules that should be obeyed by all students from that school. All of the rules were made, so students will become a disciplined individual. Example is rule about hair regulation. Hair regulation rule become a hot topic among students. There are some who agree because this rule makes students look steady and discipline, but there are some who disagree because the hair regulation has no effect on the way of student thinking for non-academic degree. From that pros and cons opinion can be concluded that hair regulation rule should be implemented because it makes students become disciplined individuals and make them look obedient. It may not affect academic degree, but most of people judge others by appearance.
Short hair is easy to manage. It helps students focus on their studies instead of spending time on hair care. On the other hand, some believe that students should be free to express themselves. Hair is a personal choice, so forcing students to cut it may be unfair.
Short hair has benefits like cleanliness and discipline, but personal choice is also important. So we still have to implement short hair regulation, but lowering the standard.
So that's all concluded from the is it necessary to have a short hair for students? That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.